sweetheart. Goodbye, sweetheart. Till we meet tomorrow. Goodbye, sweetheart. Sleep
I'm airborne. Everything aviation every day.
I'm airborne.
Choose from history to restorations, stories and facts, news feeds to live events. It's your choice.
Log on and climb aboard.
I'm Denis. I live in Lyon, France, which is a great place to be airborne. And if you can fly planes, you're just a couple of hours away from the Mediterranean coast, which is amazing. We were planning to go to Corsica for some time. It's that kind of trip that is more than a typical vacation. This is a whole bunch of things I'm really passionate about, all put together. Adventure, aviation, scuba diving, and a bit of history.
No one can touch me now. I'm just flying by. Yeah, I'm just flying by. Away from them. And no one can see me now. I'm miles above you. Don't care what they're seeing below, 'cause I'm miles above. I'm miles above you.
So we rented a Cessna 182 Skyline.
Miles above you.
With Agustin and Isabel. Great divers, but first time small plane flyers, so this was an even bigger adventure for two of them.
No one can touch me now. I'm just flying by. Yeah, I'm just flying by. Away from them. And no one can see me now. I'm miles above you. Don't care what they're seeing below, 'cause I'm miles above. I'm miles above you. Miles above you.
And with Thierry, the only one of us who could actually fly this plane and land it. Thierry is an experienced pilot, and he's also a great friend and a teammate. with whom I've been traveling across the world filming stuff for more than 10 years now. There are several diving centers in Calvi to choose from, so this is where we went right away to book our dive and get the quick instructions. Calvi has one special site all divers want to go to. This was the adventure that brought us there. Very close to the shore, right under the walls of the citadel. This is where it was. Seeing the B17 at the seafloor is a surreal experience. The plane is immense. Still pretty much in shape, and what strikes you the most is how real the Second World War suddenly feels to you when you are there facing the flying fortress, not in a museum, but right where it rests after its last battle.